In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a smart material in Substance Painter. A smart material is basically a collection of layers. So Substance has its own default smart materials, which you can find in the second tab of your assets. And there are quite a few options here. I'm just going to drag one of them onto my layers. You can see that it's a folder. It's green cloth, it has some folds, it has dust, and all of those layers are visible to you when you drag this onto your object. I'm going to delete this for now. So basically, any layers that you create and put into a folder on Substance can become a smart material. And this is useful if you make your own materials, like if you want a black metal with dust, with imperfections, and you've created that, you can just make this into a smart material and reuse it in other projects. So I have black metal here. You can see that these are the parts that it's affecting. And I'm going to make this into a smart material. To do that, all you need to do is you have your folder here, right click on that folder, make sure it's selected and right click, and just go to create smart material. So that's smart mask, create smart material is here. So click on that. And when you do that, you'll see that your black metal appears in your smart material section. I can open a new file, so let me open one of the Substance sample files. Let's try meat matte. So I'm going to discard this. And in this file, I'm just going to, I don't have any layers here yet. I'm just going to drag on black metal. And you can see that whatever layers I had on that black metal material is now on meat matte. If you have paint layers on your object, so I have a paint layer here, that's going to look a little strange on your other object. But any procedural layers, any generators like this one, or any procedural layers are going to look similar. They're going to act similarly to how they did on your original model. Something to keep in mind when you're using smart materials is that these don't usually transfer over to other computers. They are stored locally on your computer. So if you are wanting to use them in multiple places, you're going to have to select the file that contains that smart material. You can find this in your documents usually. You have Adobe Substance 3D Painter. Go to Assets, and in Assets you have Smart Materials. And you can see that the black metal folder that I created, that one has appeared in my Smart Materials. So you would just need to copy this. So Control C and then paste it in your same path on the Substance Painter, which is on another computer.